We're rolling with Stella, the DIY Diva. Crafty Luxe Designs.
Girl, did you make that? I sure did. I'm going to show you how you can make it too.
Hi, this is Stella with Krafty Luxe Designs, the
DIY Diva.
I love that part. Thank you for visiting my channel. Do you have pavers in your patio or probably on your walkway that are just bland, they're just plain, they're not saying anything to you, they're not doing anything for you? Well, today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Let's get at it. So what I have here is a stencil that I purchased. It has a star design, and I really think this would look nice on my pavers out here. So this is a 12 by 12 stencil, and these pavers are also 12 by 12. But I only want to get like the center part and maybe the stars of the stencil. I don't want these edges here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to center this on my paver, and I have my black paint here that I'm using. I will link all of the descriptions, everything in the description box for what it is that I'm using. I have this and I have a sponge. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just basically dip my sponge in the black paint. Just get a little bit of it. I don't need a whole lot. And what you want to do is you want to just dab. Don't rub, just dab it into the spots where you want the paint to go. Get a little more paint and just dab it. By the stencil being so large, I can just hold it in place with my hand. And then I just continue to dab until I get it completely covered the way that I want. And you want to go straight up and down. You don't want to rub it in any kind of way because you don't want it to bleed up under the design. It may bleed a little bit anyway, but you want to get as least amount of bleed as possible. And like I said, it doesn't need a whole lot. So you just continue to dab. Probably gonna try to go for a little bit of a rustic kind of look. So I don't really want it to be completely saturated. I'll see. If it's completely saturated, then probably what I'll do is I'll take some sandpaper and rub across it. It depends. I'll see what it looks like when I'm done with this. So yeah, I'm just constantly just going up and down on it. Trying to get it all. Places where I want it. gonna take a while. So when I'm done, I'll be back when I've had this completed. I am back and I have finally finished applying the stencil to all of my pavers. And I tell you, it has totally transformed the look of my patio. I am thoroughly pleased with the outcome. It gave my patio area more character and it really makes it pop. One thing I would like to say is that instead of using the sponge, I switched to using a foam brush, and this made the process go so much quicker. I will definitely post pictures of the final results at the end of the video, and also I will list the items that I used in the description box. So please, if you like the video, if this has given you ideas of what it is that you can do to your area, please, please, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, please hit that bell so that you will be informed of any other videos as they come up in the future, as I plan to post a video once a week on Saturdays. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you for watching my video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day. Bye.
We're rolling with Stella, the DIY Diva. Krafty Luxe designs.
Girl, did you make that? I sure did. I'm gonna show you how you can make it too.